Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can easily download and install Opera web browser on Windows 10. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Go to the following link and here's our channel, click on subscribe. So now we will see how we can install Opera web browser. Go to the browser and type Opera web browser download. Now after typing, now you can see the official website opera.com download. I'll click on it. After clicking, it has detected that my operating system is Windows on its own. I'll click on download now to download the installer. Now the download will begin. Here it is. Now wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the installer for Opera. Here it is, 2.20 MB. Now I'll double click to install. Now you can see a dialog box is visible. Clicking on install, you are agreeing to Opera's end user agreement. You can read about this here, the agreement. After that, you can click on install here. Now you can see the browser is downloading. Now we have successfully installed Opera. It has created a desktop shortcut and it has opened the settings on its own to set the default web browser. Here it is, default tab. If you want, you can change the default browser. Click on it. Here we have downloaded Opera. Here it is. So now our default browser will be Opera Internet Browser. Here it is. Now close it. And here our default browser is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download Opera web browser and install it on Windows 10 operating system. If you liked the video, subscribe to Amit Singh's YouTube channel. Thank you.